my god, how
Love
did you get in
it.
my house?
I follow you on Instagram. Can you style me?
I mean, you broke into my house.
Now we're besties! Does that mean I get hand-me-downs?
What? No one was in this closet for months. I'm in that mood to do something like very horrifying.
Oh my god, we're doing indie sleaze.
It looks so wasted, I'm not sure what's wrong with it.
Oh my god, I have an idea. It's giving ugly in the best way.
This is gonna be horrible.
So are we cool, or is there gonna be like a restraining order?
We'll see. Coming out!
I love it.
This is so much better.
It's giving fridge girl. Let's get back in there.